Mastering Personal Finance, Lessons from Successful SMEs. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by your finances? Learn how inspiring small business owners mastered their money game and turned chaos into control. These proven strategies can reshape your future, helping you transform your financial habits into lasting wealth. Personal and business finances often intertwine, creating confusion and setbacks. Successful SME owners separate these streams to achieve clarity. By keeping distinct budgets and financial records, they avoid overspending, mismanagement, and the stress of blended accounts. It's your first step toward conquering financial challenges. Budgeting isn't boring, it's empowering. SMEs thrive by crafting clear, concise budgets that align with goals. Track your expenses religiously, identify unnecessary costs, and allocate money efficiently. A strong budget doesn't restrict you, it gives you the freedom to thrive financially. Life is unpredictable, and successful SMEs prepare for the worst. An emergency fund safeguards against unforeseen challenges. Prioritize saving for at least 3 to 6 months of expenses to stay afloat during tough times. Remember, it's peace of mind that protects your dreams. SMEs use their profits wisely, so can you. Diversify your investments, balancing high and low risk options like stocks, bonds, and real estate. Learn the art of investing to create a steady income stream. The power of compounded returns can elevate your finances over time. FinTech is transforming how we manage money. SMEs embrace apps and tools that track spending, manage budgets, and optimize cash flow. Automate bill payments, savings, and investment tracking to ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Let tech do the heavy lifting. A thriving business builds the foundation for personal wealth. Take cues from SMEs who reinvest profits wisely, explore additional revenue streams, and focus on long-term goals. Translate your business wins into personal financial milestones. Let your success work double time. Successful SMEs think beyond today. They focus on securing their future and preparing for retirement. Evaluate pension plans, invest in insurance, and protect your family's financial stability. A legacy doesn't only mean wealth, it means freedom and peace of mind for generations to come. Consistency is king. SMEs adopt habits like regular financial reviews, cutting unnecessary expenses, and staying committed to their goals. Even small decisions accumulate into massive wins over time. Commit to intentional choices, you'll see your financial landscape transform. Ready to turn your financial life around? Start small, create a budget, save a little more, and invest wisely. Like SMEs, you too can achieve financial independence. Stay consistent, persevere, and embrace these proven strategies. Let today be the day you build your financial legacy. Subscribe, share, and like for more informative videos. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching.